Yan ang driver namin. No? Yan yung manager.
And today we are parked right here at Eton Centris. Yes, our spot just right next to Mensa. Our closest spot. Thank you so much for being with us.
Lang.
Until 8 p.m. We got people to my left. We got motorists to my right. Yellow down the body. And of course, a lot of people who are tuned in from the radio.
Dito ka.
Hindi, diretso tayo eh.
Oo, titignan mo rito. Oh. Tatamaan mo yung hindi ka tumitingin pag kinakabit mo.
Tingin ako kanina, wala naman.
Ayun yung puti.
Nasa likod siya. Tingnan kayo. Dito sa tabi ko.
Pwede ka dumiretso. Kasi gaganon pa tayo eh.
Kada kung saan ka kakabig,
Hindi ako kakaliwa.
tumingin ka.
Hindi, pwede rin diretso yan. Sige, dito ka lang.
1075. Saying hello to all of the commuters from the Carousel bus station.